Craving a restaurant-style Gobi Manchurian at home? Let's make this crispy, tangy, and spicy dish in just a few simple steps. First, take one medium cauliflower and cut it into bite-sized florets. Blanch the florets in boiling salted water for 3 to 4 minutes. This softens them slightly while keeping a bit of crunch. Drain and set aside. Now for the batter. In a bowl, mix half a cup of all-purpose flour, a quarter cup of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of black pepper, red chili powder, and some salt. Gradually add water to make a smooth batter. It should be thick enough to coat the cauliflower. Dip the blanched cauliflower into the batter, making sure they're well coated. Heat oil in a pan for deep frying. You want the oil hot enough to sizzle but not too high to burn the batter. Gently add the battered cauliflower florets to the oil, frying until golden brown and crispy. Once they're crispy, drain them on paper towels to get rid of any excess oil. Now let's make the signature spicy Manchurian sauce. Here's what you'll need: soy sauce, tomato ketchup, red chili sauce, vinegar, sugar, and some chopped garlic, ginger, and chilies. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan and sauté 2 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, and a few slit green chilies until fragrant. Add 1 small diced onion and half a green bell pepper. Stir-fry them on high heat for a crunchy bite. Next, add 2 tablespoons each of soy sauce and ketchup, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, and a splash of vinegar. Stir well, and don't forget a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Now mix a tablespoon of corn flour with a quarter cup of water to make a slurry. Add this to the sauce to thicken it, cooking for a minute. Toss the crispy fried cauliflower into the sauce, stirring until it's well coated. Finish it off with a generous sprinkle of freshly chopped spring onions. Your delicious, restaurant-style Gobi Manchurian is ready to enjoy. Serve it hot as a side with fried rice or noodles, or eat it as a snack. Let's try it. Host takes a bite and smiles. Crispy, tangy, and just the right amount of spice. This is absolutely perfect. Trust me, you need to try this at home. If you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more easy and delicious recipes. See you next time.